You got knee pain? I got you. Here's what you do. Here's the trick on knee pain. I'm going to tell you guys right now. Does it hurt in the front of your knee or the back of the knee? That's the question. Or to the side of the knee. It depends on the side. I'm going to tell you the secret to how to fix your knee pain most often, unless you really damage it, like you tore or something like that. Other than that, here's how you fix most knee pain. Honestly, 8 out of 10. If the knee hurts in the front of your leg, it's the front of the knee hurts, it's the quad is an issue. The quad muscle is an issue because the quad muscle attaches, it's one of the only few muscles that attach two joints. It crosses two joints. It crosses the hip joint and the knee joint. What you want to do is make sure this is happy, because if this is upset, if this portion of the muscle is upset, it's going to cause knee issues. If this portion of the muscle is upset, it's going to cause hip issues. If they're both upset, it's going to have knee pain and hip pain. A lot of people have both. How do you fix that? Simple stuff. You got a massage gun, drill into it. Open all that up. Don't hit the bone. Don't hit into the groin. You're going to hit the muscle belly. You're going to really stretch that out. Coming to the, another one you want to do, just simple, let's say it's the quad, you just want to hold on to the wall and stretch. This one, if you stretch like this, if it's the knee. If it's a knee pain, you want to grab right here, simply the old-fashioned way, and pull it, breathe, breathe. And you do that 2-3 times, and then you go up the stairs, you'll see you'll have no more knee pain. If the hip hurts, you want to do lunges. If it's a hip and the knee, you want to go through it, you want to stretch into it. Now, a little caveat is tilt your pelvis in. You're going to boom, right here, and then stretch. Boom. Here's how you fix the back of the knee. If your back of the knee hurts, here's how you fix it. You're going to do a hamstring stretch. Not like this, but more like that. The knee that hurts is in the front. It's stretched out. The knee that doesn't hurt is 90-degree angle. You're going to put one hand, two hand on the knee that's flexed. Arch your back. Good. And you're going to feel that your back is arched the whole time. Good. And you're going to feel that burning, pulling sensation. That's going to help open up the hamstring, which will fix the back of the knee.